How to edit a photo or video in Instagram without posting it. Hi everyone! Did you know that you can use Instagram editing tools without actually posting your photo or video? It's a great way to make your edits and save them to your device. So in this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch the Instagram app on your phone, and you're gonna go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start creating a post. So just go ahead and do that. After that, choose the next photo or video you want to edit from your gallery. For example, this video right here. And you can go ahead and click on this edit section. So after you're done editing, before posting this video, what we're going to do is simply turn off our Wi-Fi or turn on the airplane mode, for example, and wait for the airplane mode to be completely turned on, and click on next and wait for the processing to be completed. After that is done, just go ahead and share it to your reels, and you can find it on your reels section, but it will say something like connection error or something like that. But don't worry, that video will be saved in your gallery when you go through it. And that is how you use Instagram as a photo or video editor without posting your content. So if this tutorial helped, like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks, and see you in the next video.